Hey, it's Zach with Hostetler Roofing out here at Berman Farr Apartments in Texarkana. We're just finishing up today, getting some detail work done. One of the things you notice here is we have a big cricket that's pushing the water away from this elevator shaft. Come over here, we have these big skylights that we sealed around. This cable is actually holding up the old sign on the front, the original Berman Farr sign. This is all 50 mil PVC from IB Roof Systems. It's covered by a 20-year warranty. Yeah, also we had to work around all these air conditioner units. That was quite a challenge, but we got it all done. Here we've got these big crickets that push the water down the scupper drains and out where it's supposed to be. Here they're adding some screws on this cricket. Anytime we have a pitch change on these roofs, we have to add a row of screws just to keep it from stretching or anything. So they're adding these screws and the patch on it. So yeah, very happy with how this project turned out. A big thanks to Paul and the Belmont Management Company for allowing us to restore their roof here, and very excited to work with them in the future. If you need a roof inspection, call us at 870-557-4797.